Hi, I'm Tom at MarineMax Maryland. Really happy to show you this brand new Sea Ray 2024 320 Sundancer Outboard. We're starting here on the stern of the boat. Obviously a great swim platform, lots of storage in the back, nice trunk, but two twin 400 horsepower Mercury Verado V10 outboards. Plenty of power. The boat, I tested it myself. We got 51 miles an hour out of the boat just the other day, just went in the water for the first time. So plenty of access to the water from the platform. Starting to move forward, we've got a shower right here at the aft. If you jump out of the water and want some fresh water to rinse that salt off, you got that. We've got, of course, a door. Moving forward into the boat, great cockpit. 320 Sundancers they're just ubiquitous boats. They've been around for a while, but they keep always improving the design. Since this boat has outboard power, this entire hatch still lifts where the engines would have been, and there's just a lot of great storage options down below. This boat, of course, comes with the optional table. The table will set down lower with a filler cushion, so you have a sun pad back here, which is a great asset. But otherwise, just plenty of seating in the cockpit. On the starboard side, of course, we've got a grill and a sink, so great place to do some barbecuing. More seating, like I said, you can probably see the accent lighting that I've lit up from down below, so at night it really looks beautiful. Looking up, we've got this beautiful sunshade that totally covers the back end of the boat, so you can stay in the shade on these hot days that we have in August. Moving forward into the Helm area, we've got dual seating. On the passenger side, we can slide it forward to make more of a comfortable area in the aft, or when we're running the boat, of course, your passengers can be seating forward. The cockpit seat itself is bolstered, so you can sit down or stand and ride. Dual 12-inch Simrad screens, which of course gives you lots of options of whatever you want to display. And of course, the binnacle for the motors. This boat has automatic trim and active trim on the motors. So the automatic trim will help you on your side-to-side movement, keep you level, and the active trim on the engines will keep the boat at the optimum angle for great fuel efficiency. And of course, we've got a joystick so that will help you with your docking. VHF radio, wonderful stereo, upgraded stereo with a subwoofer. It's just a great boat. Let's move up look up here in the forward bow area. You notice we've got this wonderful sliding glass door that opens up to give you access to the bow area. And in the bow, we've got this wonderful seating with armrests, cup holders, another stereo controller in case you want to control the stereo from up here, but obviously a very large, wonderful sunbed for everyone. And then we've got an anchor with a windlass and a spotlight with a remote control at the dash. So very well equipped boat, super comfortable, wonderful place to ride up here in the bow. Let's go below and see what we have for overnight capability. So come on below in our 320 Sundancer. You can see we've got a forward V berth. This is obviously in the berth mode, but there's also a table. Of course, we can raise the table up and have a meal around here because we've got a refrigerator and a microwave and storage galore over here on the port side. And then looking aft, we've got great seating right now, and we can also have filler cushions that you can see on the starboard side that fill that in, and that's going to be a queen size bed in the back. So you got lots of options here to spend the night. Fully air conditioned. The boat's nice and cool. It's wonderful. And of course, we got to have a big old head. It's called what we call a wet head. So the head is, you can take a shower in there. It's got a shower curtain. It's very well appointed, and obviously a great place to cool off and get clean. This is a great boat. I think of it as a moving condo myself. My wife came on board this boat. We did a little boat show in Annapolis on Eagle Alley on Friday, Saturday, and my wife came aboard and said, "Holy cow, you know, I think I want one." So maybe that's going to be in my future. But this is a wonderful boat. Great, travel with it. You can run around the Chesapeake Bay, have a great weekend wherever you want to go, or if you just want to go water skiing, whatever. It's still a sport boat. Does 51 miles an hour. Love to see you come down to Kent Island, to MarineMax. We are a local Sea Ray dealer. We'd love to show you this beautiful yacht.